If your iPhone's battery is overheating while charging, don't stress. You're not alone. This can happen for a few different reasons, like background processes running too much, using your phone while it charges, or charging it in a hot environment. But don't worry, I've got some simple steps you can follow to fix the issue and keep your iPhone cool. Let's dive in. Before you start, turn off the reduce motion feature. Now before you get to the main solutions, there's a quick setting to check. The reduce motion feature can sometimes cause your phone to overheat, especially when it's charging. So it's a good idea to turn it off first. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on motion. Finally, turn off the reduce motion option. A lot of people don't know this, but the reduce motion setting can contribute to overheating. So let's turn it off to be safe. Solution 1. Check for intensive background processes. Next, let's check for any apps that might be draining your battery in the background. These apps can work your phone harder, which leads to overheating. Open settings on your iPhone again. Scroll down and tap on battery. Tap on battery usage to see which apps are using a lot of power. If you spot any apps that are consuming too much power, force close them by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping the app away. Alternatively, you can offload apps to free up some space and reduce the load on your phone. Go to settings. Scroll down and tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Select the app you want to offload and then tap Offload. This will help you reduce the load and hopefully prevent overheating while charging. Solution 2. Disable background app refresh. Now let's stop apps from refreshing in the background. Background app refresh can keep apps running, and this extra activity can lead to your iPhone heating up. Open settings again on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on background app refresh. Tap off to stop apps from refreshing in the background. This will reduce the battery load and help cool down your phone. This simple step can make a big difference. Solution 3. Enable low power mode. Finally, let's activate low power mode. This mode helps reduce power consumption, which can prevent your iPhone's battery from overheating. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap on battery. Toggle on low power mode. Low power mode reduces your phone's performance and disables some features, but it's a great way to stop overheating while charging. And that's it. These steps should help keep your iPhone cool while charging. Give them a try and see if they work for you. If you have any other questions or if these steps helped, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and stay cool and take care.